WAG9 abbreviations. ALG Drive Control Unit, ASC Loco Pilot Converter Control, ASR Drive Controller, BL Key Switch, BLCP a spring loaded switch for main compressors, BLDJ a spring loaded switch for main circuit breaker, BLHO a spring loaded switch for hotel load, BLPR switch headlights, BPCS push button for constant speed control, BPFA push button for acknowledgement all fault messages, BPFL push button for emergency flashlight, BPPB push button for parking brake, BPVG push button for vigilance, BPVR push button for resetting vigilance, BUR auxiliary converter, BZVOF buzzer for vigilance, overspeed and fire, CEL central electronics, CSC constant speed control, DDS diagnostic data set, DIA diagnostic control fault generation and fault log, FPV vehicle bus administrator routing signals, FLG vehicle control unit, GTO gate turn off, HB cubic auxiliary circuits, HBB processor, HRA switch cap blower or heater, LSAF indication lamp for train parting, LSCE indication lamp for overheating CEL, LSDJ indication lamp for main circuit breaker, LSFI indication lamp for fault messages, LSHO indication lamp for hotel load, LSP indication lamp for wheel slipping, LSVW indication lamp for vigilance warning, MCB main circuit breaker, MCE MICAS S2 control electronics, MEMOTEL a speed recorder and indicator, MR machine room, MUB over voltage protection unit, NSR line converter, PAN pantograph, PCLH socket hand lamp, PP pneumatic panel, SB cubic control circuits, SLG converter control unit, SR traction converter, SS subsystem, STB low voltage cubicle control, TCN train configuration network, TE or BE tractive or braking effort, UBA voltmeter battery voltage, VCB vacuum circuit breaker for main circuit breaker, VCU vehicle control unit, ZBAN switch for banking operation, ZBV train bus administrator, ZLC switch for loco pilot cab lighting, ZLDA switch for ALP desk illumination, ZLDD switch for loco pilot's desk illumination, ZLFR switch for marker light red, ZLFW switch for marker light white, ZLH switch for socket hand lamp, ZLI switch for instrument lighting, ZPRD switch for headlights intensity, ZPT a spring loaded switch for pantograph, ZTEL switch for maximum traction limitation. ZK DC link.